In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail forgot password. If you can't remember your Gmail password, don't worry. Google's recovery flow is designed to help you get back in quickly and securely. Make sure you know the email address for the account you're recovering, and if possible, have access to your recovery phone or recovery email on another device. Start by going to the Gmail or Google sign-in page. Type in your email address carefully and click Next. When you reach the password screen, select Forgot Password. That single click starts the official recovery process and tells Google you need help verifying your identity. If Google asks for it, enter the last password you remember using for this account. It doesn't have to be perfect. An old guess can still help confirm it's really you. After you enter it, click Next to continue. If you truly don't remember any previous password, look for the option to try another way and proceed to the verification choices Google provides. Next, choose the recovery method that appears for your account. You may see a text message to your phone, a code sent to your recovery email, or a prompt on a trusted device where you can tap, "Yes, it's me." Pick the easiest method you currently have access to. Keep in mind, not every account will show all options. Google tailors this based on what you set up previously. Once you select a method, check your phone or recovery email for the 6-digit verification code. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and refresh your inbox or messages. Also check spam or junk folders just in case. Carefully enter the 6-digit code on the recovery screen exactly as shown. If you make a typo, you can request a new code and try again. After Google verifies the code, you'll be prompted to set a new password. Create something strong and unique that you haven't used on this account before. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid easy-to-guess details. Re-enter it to confirm, then save. When it's accepted, you've regained access to your Gmail. To wrap up, here's the flow you just followed. Go to the login page, choose Forgot Password, verify your identity using your phone, recovery email, or a Google prompt, and then set a new password. After you're back in, consider updating your saved password on your devices to prevent future lockouts, and keep your recovery phone and email up to date so this process stays simple next time.